Nice. Looks like a man, Leo. Matching the look of the steel.
Yeah, I didn't think about it that way. Yeah, you're right.
You're gonna wrap the whole thing, right?
Yes, it'll be wrapped eventually.
Is that gunshot?
I hope that was a backfire.
So it's like 90 pounds, 90.6. 115?
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
So we're adding 20 pounds. Exactly 20 pounds actually.
Yeah. After waiting a few years, we finally got our Cybertruck, and it wasn't long before we started modding it. First thing were wheels. 4Play has this open 6-spoke design that we really liked, and 24s. Yeah, 24s. 24 by 10 to be exact. Deep concavity, front and rear, which is always a plus. Cybertruck, unlike other Tesla models, can actually have matching front and rear concavity. It sticks out past the fender just slightly when you're low, which makes it look mean, and it makes it look a little bit more stout. The two-tone finish is a nice choice. It's black and gunmetal, which match the colors on the truck already, especially with the wrap. And the way that 4Play decided to accent the spokes by making them gunmetal and making the surrounding parts black plays into how you view the wheels visually. Those edges sort of fade out of view and you really only notice the spokes, and since they come out all the way to the edge, they look even more massive and menacing. Let's talk about the next super obvious mod, which is the color. This isn't just a gloss black vinyl wrap. No, it's actually a gloss black paint protection film by Lumar. Literally combines the best of both worlds. Colored vinyl wraps with the protection of a Clearbra / paint protection film. So not only can you change the color of your car, but you're also protecting the paint underneath. I know Cybertrucks don't actually have a paint color per se, but it never hurts to actually have a bit more protection. And surprisingly, it brings out a lot of the angular lines. If you want to see more of this, we actually have a separate video on our channel that we did in collaboration with 4Play Wheels that I'll link here for you to check out.